County in north-central Georgia, northern Pike County in west-central Georgia, southwestern Henry County in north-central Georgia, southwestern Upton County in central Georgia, northern Lamar County in west-central Georgia, until 12:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:22 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Brooks, Oregon, 10 miles west of Griffin, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Griffin, Locust Grove, Milner, Brooks, Williamson, Orchard Hill, Sunnyside, East Griffin, Highland Mills, Tualaga, Stars Mill, Experiment, Walker Mill, Birdie, McEwen, Vaughn, Hollandale, Chapel Mill, Rover, and Luella. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-8667-634-4664 to get us your report at NWS Atlanta.